Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way how you could take a screen capture or a picture of your desktop or your screen or your monitor in Windows 11. To do that, go to your search tab and type snipping tool or just snipping. You will see this application. Click on it to open. And here you can click new and we'll just take. And here, as you can see, I have taken a screen capture or screen picture. However, you can always create a new one, but this time you can change additional settings. For example, you can choose rectangle mode, window mode, full screen, freeform, and you can choose how much delay you want to allow, 3 seconds, 5 seconds, and 10 seconds. Once done, let's see. I will, for example, take just a short one. You want to click Ctrl S on your keyboard to save it in a location, and there it will be visible. So I'll just click save so far, or you can just click save from here, close. Let's go to the location where I have saved it, and here I have my screenshot has been saved. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.